Hello everyone. Let us start with the wireless communication lab. The experiment is RFID reader. This is the connection diagram here using the Arduino Uno. This is the RFID reader RC522 and this is the Arduino Uno board here. These are the connections. If you observe here, the first pin of this RC522 is this is the SDA. This SDA is connected to here this one. This is the purple line. It is connected to pin number 10 here. Similarly, the second pin is, this is the SCK. This second pin is connected to the pin number 13 and the third pin is connected to pin number 11 and the fourth pin is connected to here pin number 12 and here this end the first pin is connected to 3.3 volt here. The voltage level you should give 3.3 volt. And the second pin is connected to pin number 7 reset pin here and the third pin is connected to ground here. This is the connection diagram here. What you have to do, this is the pin configuration of this RFID reader, that is RC522 here. All these connections are done according to the diagram here. Now explanation for the program. Here first we are including the necessary libraries here. Include SPI.h and include MFRC522.h here. SPI.h is required for the SPI communication which the MFRC522 module uses here. For this particular library is required. Similarly, MFRC522.h is the library for the RFID reader here. These are the two libraries. Now the pin connections which we are going to define. Define SS pin here, pin number 10 and define reset pin, that is RST pin as the pin number 7 here. Those two are the connections. Now this SS pin, this is the slave select, that is the STA pin of the RFID module which controls the communication here. And the pin number or RST pin, that is the pin number 7 is the reset pin of the RFID module here. These are the pin configurations which we are defining here. Now create an instance of the MFRC522, that is MFRC522 RFID SS pin and the RST pin here. This creates an object RFID to handle the RFID operations here. Now fourth stage is the setup function, that is runs once at a startup. It will run only once here, that is the void setup. Here serial begin 9600. This is the start for the serial communication. SPI.h begin. This is the initialize the SPI communication. RFID.PCD that is INIT. Here this initialize the RFID module here. RFID.PCD dump version to serial. This will print the version information of the module here. Now these are the setups here. Now this here serial begin. This particular serial begin 9600. It is the starts the serial communication at the baud rate of the 9600. Similarly, SPI begin. It will initialize the SPI bus here. And the RFID PCD INAT initializes the MFRC 522 RFID module. Similarly, RFID.PCD dump version to serial. This will print the RFID firmware version to the serial monitor here. Now these are the setup function which will runs once here. Now the loop functions which runs continuously, that is while loop. If not RFID.PICC is new card present, then return. Means what this indicates, this particular if function check if a new RFID card or the tag is placed near the reader. If no card is detected, it exits the loop early, preventing the unnecessary processing. Therefore, if card is not there, means exit from the loop here. Similarly, if not RFID.PICC read card serial return, that is the reads the card's unique ID here. If it is the reading is unsuccessful, then the function will exits here. Okay. Now these are the conditions. If here, now last one is the RFID.PICC dump to serial, that is RFID and UID. That is this particular if function will prints the UID and that is the unique ID number of the RFID tag and other card details. For example, memory size, data blocks to the serial monitor. If correctly those are scanned, then these details are printed here. This is the explanation for this particular program code here, and this is the connection diagram, and this is the pin configuration of RFID model here. Now let us start with the programming here. Now the program is entered here. This is the program. Now after entering the program, save the program. Now go to the tools here. Here you select the bold Arduino Uno. Similarly again tools. The port is COM6 Arduino Uno here. That is selected. And after that upload the program here. Now as you can see, the uploading is in progress. It is compiling the program. Now uploading, the done uploading here. After uploading, open the serial monitor. Now clear the previous outputs here. Now scan the card here. Now you can see here, when the card is scanned, you will get the ID of the card here. You can observe here, this is the card unique ID here. These are the technical details here, memory block size and all. Now you can see, we are uploading the program. You can observe on the board also the blinking of the LEDs here. Now the uploading is done. Open the serial monitor and clear if any previous outputs are there. Now hold the tag near the reader here. The card position is not proper, then the communication fail. You will get this one. Now hold the card properly, correctly, such that it is scanned. correctly. Once again. Take the card. Now you can see all the details here for that particular tag. This is the ID of the tag here, RFID tag.